Alright guys, so we finally got the truck delivered today, as you can see. Just got her. Of course, I gotta detail it a little bit, but get over. Got these brand new Lasfit liners. Crack these open, check them out, see how they are, get them put in. This is supposed to be some pretty nice premium floor mats. So these things are really nice. Nice durable construction. Got that nice texture here. The spikes on the bottom to keep it in place. Got that one. Yes. This one's a little bit more difficult. Got the big guy. Alright. So this guy should be for the rear, and this should be the driver's side right here. So like I said, these are definitely really good quality floor mats. Obviously got the holes for driver's side. These should be locking into place here. Got the little user manual. Just shows you how to put them in real quick. Nice lifetime warranty, 24/7 support. Plus are right here locally in California, so that's also a plus as well. So got those. Get this all out of the way, and then push the better. Big one. This guy out. This is a big one. So these are 100% washable. The TPE floor mats, like I said, are definitely high quality. Nice rugged texture here. So this is the rear one. Got these, again, I got the spikes to keep them all in place. So say we just got the truck, you can take out these little baby carpet floor mats. Don't really need those no more. And then I don't know if we have to vacuum it ahead of time. Maybe might have to vacuum it. We can do that later, but we'll just get this put in real quick to see how it goes. Get that in there. See how it fits. Is it gonna fit? Probably gonna have to do it the other way. Let's see. Do it like this. Do it like that. Alright. Might have to rearrange this a little bit. Let's see.